In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Substack profile picture. If you're ready to freshen up your online presence, you've come to the right place. Let's walk through the steps together, ensuring you understand exactly how to update your image. First, start by logging into your Substack account. If you're not sure how to do this, head over to the Substack website where you'll find a login button typically located at the top of the page. Just click on that and enter your account credentials. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. Next, cast your gaze to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll spot your profile icon, which could look like a small circular version of your current profile picture. Give it a click. This is your gateway to more personalized settings. With the drop-down menu now open before you, select the settings option. It's easy to get lost amidst all the other links, but settings is where you'll want to be for any tweaks related to your profile. Once you're in the settings, navigate your eyes over to the profile section. There you'll see an option to edit. Clicking edit will unlock the customization features you need to modify your personal details, including your profile picture. Now keep an eye out for a tiny pencil icon adjacent to what is currently your profile picture. This pencil is not just for scribbling, it's your tool for change. Click on the pencil and it will prompt you to update your profile image. At this point, you're just a few clicks away from victory. After clicking the pencil, the system will allow you to select a new image directly from your computer. Whether it's a professional headshot or a fun selfie, your next step is to choose that perfect picture. Time to upload. Once you've decided on the image that speaks to your current vibe, select it from your files and tap Open to upload. Make sure your new image is clear and properly sized to align with Substack specifications for an optimal look. Finally, after a brief moment of upload magic, your new image will pop up as your profile picture. It's always good to double check to ensure it's displayed just the way you want it. If everything is spot on, then congratulations, you're done. You can now enjoy your updated profile picture as a fresh touch to your Substack identity. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tips on customizing your Substack experience.